Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can remove all headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Microsoft Word software on your personal computer and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open the target document in which you would like to remove the header and footer. Once you are inside the editing page, all you need to do is get to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and then look for Header and Footer. Once you find it, click on Header and select Remove Header from the bottom of the list. Similarly, click on Footer and select Remove Footer. This will instantly remove the header and footer from your document. Now, just save your document and you'll be good to go. By following these simple steps, you can easily get rid of any unwanted headers and footers in your Word documents. So that's basically how you can remove all headers and footers in Microsoft Word. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.